this is Sharif for Just Nailed It, and this is Creative Nails. For December, we are doing a second theme, and that is New Year's. And welcome. You see my mat here. This is a plastic mat made by Viola Brown. She made this for me as a gift, and I thank her. Thank her when she made it, I thank her for it now. So we have got 5 black nails. This was black. We have put over this this glitter is so fine it flies through the air, and it's kind of hilarious that it does, but it does. So we did a full coverage nail there. We're gonna work our way up to the thumbnail. So I got multiple trays here. I got some bling. I got some Swarovskis here, which we're gonna be using. I have a clock that we're going to be putting on the middle finger. Where am I? There we go. And then we're going to be putting on some colorful little stones here. These are just regular rhinestones gems. The clear AB are the Swarovskis. Gonna add some pretty bling to our nails. So what are we doing? Okay, I'm just gonna use my top coat, which is a Beauty no wipe top coat. Whoopsie. Can't hold the stand right. What does everyone have planned for their New Year's Eve? Leave me a comment down below. Let me know. Clue me in. I'm just staying home where it's safe. I'm gonna flip this baby over if I can. Used to have me my rubber mat. Here we go. Whoops. Whoopsie. We're just gonna put this down near the tip. Should I put anything else with it maybe? Maybe some colored ones going up. Put one more up here. There we go. The Swarovski wants to move. We're going to pop this puppy in the lamp, give her a flash cure, just so everything freezes in place real quick. Then we're going to go on. The middle nail is where I am putting my clock. Going with nice full strokes. Where's my clock? It is set for 10 to 12. Well, there's too many numbers on here. Maybe not. We're gonna go in with. Let me take a gander here. I want some of the reels. I really do. So I'm just going to put them randomly about the nail. And I'm going to come in with some of the colors. man. Can't tell if there's anything there or not. Sorry if I'm out of frame. Looking from my point of view. I need some littles. Some littles. What? I need a couple more littles. Let's put that one there. Alright, alright, alright. Whoops. I need one more, I think. One last. Whoops, everything just slid out of me. Everything moved. So I'm trying to reposition. Whoops. Okay, let's start moving it. Let me see if I can get some littles. Whoops, darn it. Owie, owie, owie. We got a blend out nail here, folks. Didn't anticipate this one. Whoops. Alright, we're gonna stick this in for a flash cure as well. Which means I'm holding it in there to hold the light on. Just a few seconds. And I'm going to put it in for a full cure. The index finger. We are going to use a base coat by PUC. Love this brand. It is off Amazon. It is the sister company to Umic. So I'm going to sporadically put this on. And take some of the sparkle. So I'm going to do this before I cure it. Oh, come on already. Whoops. This definitely flies about Okay, so I'm going to stick this one in for a full cure. Pour this back in the bottle. Super, super easy. Cannot remember for the life of me where I got this. I'm pretty sure it was a gift maybe from Diana or somebody when I first started doing nails. I don't remember. I honestly don't remember. And then our thumbnail. We're gonna top coat. And have one ring. So got them all in the lamp. Remember, the top coat that I'm using is QT. It is the sister company to Umic in the UK. Like this, give these a full, or give these an extra little bit of cure, especially the nails with the glitter. There's 3 top coats on this one, and I will put a 4th because it does suck it up. So let me see. I have to look at my drawing here to figure out where I have these at. Whoops. Whoopsie. So I'm gonna get my top coat. I'm gonna top coat this nail a few times. I'm not worried about there being a glitter transfer because I used the base coat to hold the glitter on, and it really holds it on. So we got those in for 60. We will be right back. Alrighty, we are back. We are ready for the unveiling of our New Year's Eve nails for Creative Nails. Ta-da! These turned out really cute. I love all the bling. Big ones here are Swarovskis. We got some glitter that is so fine it flies through the air like dust. I think this is really cute. Leave me a comment down below. Let me know what you think of my New Year's manicure to bring in 2022. The clock, I forgot to tell you the clocks. Oh my goodness. The clocks you can get at brcnailstipsxpieces.com, as well as a whole slew of, she's got a lot of goodies going on there, so check out brcnailstipsxpieces.com. I am a branded brand ambassador for Brandy's channel. It's kind of a tongue twister. Use my code SherieBaby10, SHEREE Baby10. I'll put it across the bottom of the screen here, so you can get that. Head over to her shop, her website, put your order in, and at checkout use my code, save yourself 10% off. So yeah, you get yourself some clocks. Don't forget, I'm having a giveaway. I draw New Year's Day. Head over, look for that giveaway video. Enter, enter, enter. So yeah, leave me a comment down below. Let me know what you think. If you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel. That way you get notified of all giveaways and all uploads and any important information. So here we are, New Year's Eve. Our last mani of 2021. Time to start anew. Have yourself a blessed day. Please be safe tonight. Do not drink and drive. Have yourself a designated driver. That way you and everybody else on the road are delivered home safely. No worries, no crimes, no troubles, no police. All that. That way you're delivered home safely. And we have no worries about tomorrow. Have yourselves a blessed day, and thank you.